Well, back at the V12 now. It's raining. Just being a bloody asshole to start sometimes. I think it's flooding, like the injector's pissing fuel in where it shouldn't or something. So I'll see if it starts now. It's got good spark, got injector pulse, you can hear them clicking, got fuel, it just won't go. Yeah, it's been doing this a bit lately. I'll try and work out what that is. Well, it's been off for 1 minute now, so let's just see how it starts after 1 minute. I'll let it sit for 10 minutes next. Well, now I'm just going to do some dash work and fix the speedo. Stop the tacho from sticking now that it works again. I'm going to get these gauges to defog. So you've got moisture in them. I'll probably have to pull them out and dry them. Lights work. I'll let it sit for 40 minutes, let's see what happens. Yeah, weird. I'll just take the cold start injectors out to start with. I unplug them just to make sure they're not firing off when they shouldn't. But yeah, I'll take them out and see if they're leaking to start with. And then I'll check all the rest of the injectors. I can probably pop the rail and leave them all on there, hopefully. We'll see. Well, here we go, we've got some gauges here on the bench. This is the speedo, I got this in pieces as you can see. This had about a 30-second delay of telling you what speed you're actually doing, which could be bad when you're accelerating on the freeway, as I found out. So, and these gauges fogged up when you turn the lights on. So I pulled these apart, I'm going to clean all the glass, and just letting them air out. And that one gets stuck, as you know, so I'll fix that. I thought I'd just show how speedo actually works, an old-fashioned mechanical one. Pretty much the cable comes up into this and spins this bit, which is a magnet. That magnetic field just works on this plate, which turns and turns the needle. There's a spring there, so there's a certain amount of resistance, and as that spinning little counter ticks that around. Well, that's, you know, the trip meter. So, very simple. Very easy to fuck up when you pull apart. It's so delicate. So we'll see if I get this working or not. So it was pretty bad. Full of moisture. Now it's back together now. You can see the little magnet sits inside that disc. So that spins and acts on that disc. It seems to be a lot freer than it was. It never really bounced before. So, well, hopefully it works. With this tacho, the reason it seems to be sticking, that little plastic arm there, that bit that moves, little plastic stopper there, that little dick. And that's not quite in the right spot. And sometimes it wedges itself in the wrong spot, and that's why it sticks. And there's not much I can really do about that. Can't really move any of that around. So I just lubricated it so it doesn't stick as easy and see how it goes. I'd say it's been heat affected. And sun on a very hot day and it's warped a little bit. So there's a counterweight on the other side that doesn't help. Yeah, oh well. Oh, there we go. All back together. Cleaned all the glass, so it's looking pretty good. So, might as well do the other two. See, the glass is pretty dirty. So, there's no point doing these and not the other two. Should work well. Hopefully. I just thought I'd try and show the difference now that I've got one back in and one old one. I've got two new globes in. You can see that one looks nice. That one's just all foggy. So just these little things make it look so much nicer. Nice and clean. And you can actually see the gauge. So I'll leave the lights on for a bit and this will fog right over. Geez, those two are a prick to get out. But that looks nice. Oh, I've got all the small ones back in. They look much better than they did before. Let's see if they work. Yeah, they're moving. That one's coming to 0. Volt's going up. Fuel's going up. Temperature's right down. Should work. Cool. Oh, I'll put the other two in there. Oh, I lubricated up the speedo drive because that was pretty stiff. And also the cable. Slid that out, lubed it, slid it back in. Oh, got a little passenger in the back. Sort of jumped over me while I was working on it. Strange. I just fixed the park brake light. The switch was sticking. So, much better. Well, the next day, I can start her up now without annoying people, so let's see if this taco works. Oh god, they all look good now. Oh, mad. Cool. That makes me happy. I'll go for a test drive later and see if the speedo works. So, and then I'll have a look at that hard start when it's warmish problem. When it's cold, it starts fine.